If our planet suddenly turned into a giant magnet, what would happen to our world? How would people, animals, and everyday objects react? To answer this question, let us follow a chain reaction that would happen step by step if the Earth's magnetic field became millions times stronger. Earth's magnetic shield first. Let's start with the basics. What is the Earth's magnetic field and what does it do? The Earth's magnetic field is a force field that extends from the planet's core out into space. It's generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's outer core, which creates electric currents that in turn produce magnetic fields. This magnetic field is vital to life on Earth as it acts as a shield, protecting us from the harmful radiation and cosmic rays that constantly bombard our planet from the sun and beyond. Without this shield, we'd be exposed to dangerous levels of radiation, making it impossible for humans and most life forms to survive. A glimpse of the future. Now let's take a glimpse into the future. What if the Earth's magnetic field suddenly became millions of times stronger? How would our world react to such a dramatic change? To understand the potential impact of a supercharged magnetic field, we need to look at one of the most dynamic and complex systems on our planet, the weather. Magnetic mayhem. The Earth's magnetic field plays an important role in our planet's weather patterns. It influences the way that solar wind and cosmic rays interact with the atmosphere, creating electric currents that drive many of the weather phenomena we experience daily. If the Earth's magnetic field suddenly became millions of times stronger, it would disrupt these delicate balance, leading to extreme and unpredictable weather events. Let's see how. Flipping the switch, imagine standing on the Earth's surface as the magnetic field strength increases dramatically. You can feel the air around you begin to vibrate with newfound energy. As the magnetic field grows stronger, it interacts with the water vapor in the atmosphere, creating massive electric currents. These currents form massive plasma tubes that stretch from the Earth's surface to the ionosphere. Charged particles within these tubes collide with water molecules, causing them to become ionized and creating auroras that dance across the sky with unprecedented intensity. The increased magnetic field also affects the jet streams, the powerful air currents that circle the globe. Normally, these streams are driven by the rotation of the Earth and the temperature differences between the equator and the poles. But with a stronger magnetic field, the jet streams are pushed further into the upper atmosphere, causing them to slow down and become more meandering. This disrupts the normal flow of air currents, leading to extreme weather events such as massive storms and unseasonable temperature swings. The winds begin to howl as the pressure systems become more volatile and extreme. Hurricanes and typhoons form with unprecedented strength, while tornadoes touch down with greater frequency and intensity. Even precipitation patterns are affected by the changing magnetic field. Rainforests become waterlogged and prone to flooding, while deserts experience more intense droughts. The Great Magnetic Shift. The effects of a stronger magnetic field are not limited to the Earth's surface. They extend far into space, creating a bubble-like region known as the magnetosphere. Normally, the magnetosphere protects the Earth from the solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles emitted by the sun. But with a supercharged magnetic field, the magnetosphere expands dramatically, pushing the solar wind further away from the planet. This can lead to geomagnetic storms of unprecedented intensity when the solar wind eventually makes contact with the magnetosphere. These storms can disrupt important systems on Earth such as communication satellites and power grids. A world of extremes. In this new world, we may see entirely new weather phenomena emerge. For example, magnetic storms could occur when the charged particles in the magnetosphere rain down onto the Earth's surface, causing massive electrical surges and powerful electromagnetic pulses. These pulses could wreak havoc on electronic systems and disrupt essential infrastructure. Additionally, the traditional patterns of seasons may become less predictable with the magnetic field's influence on ocean currents and weather patterns. One region may experience prolonged periods of cold, while another faces unseasonable heat, leading to significant disruptions in agriculture and ecosystems. Furthermore, the Earth's magnetic field plays a crucial role in the behavior of migratory animals, such as birds and sea turtles, who rely on the magnetic field as a navigational aid. Disruptions to the magnetic field could lead to mass disorientation and strandings of these animals, posing a significant threat to their survival. Magnetic levitation, the new normal with an amplified magnetic field. We'd witness a fascinating yet potentially dangerous phenomenon: magnetic mayhem. Everyday objects like paper clips, coins, and keys become strongly attracted to the ground, sticking to surfaces and disrupting our daily routines. This magnetic pull could pose a danger to infrastructure such as power lines and bridges, potentially causing widespread blackouts and structural damage. But it's not just objects made of metal that are affected. Magnetic fields can also influence the behavior of fluids. For example, magnetic fields can cause certain liquids to become magnetized, leading to unusual properties and behaviors. This could have significant implications for industries that rely on fluid-based processes such as oil and gas production or water treatment. Additionally, magnetic fields can also affect the behavior of biological organisms, including humans. While the Earth's magnetic field has a natural influence on our planet, an amplified magnetic field could potentially disrupt our body's delicate internal magnetic fields, leading to health issues. Floating and flying, but amidst the chaos, there is an opportunity for advancement. This new world now allows magnetic levitation, a phenomenon in which magnetic fields are used to levitate and manipulate objects. This technology could revolutionize various aspects of our lives, from transportation to construction. Imagine cars and trains that float above the ground on magnetic fields, reducing friction and increasing efficiency. It could also allow for the development of advanced magnetically levitating structures, such as bridges and buildings that sway gently in the wind. Furthermore, individuals with special training could learn to control their own magnetic fields, enabling them to perform feats such as magnetic flying. By manipulating their magnetic fields, they could defy gravity and soar through the skies. However, this ability would require rigorous training and control, as even the slightest miscalculation could lead to a dangerous crash landing. Technological breakthrough. As humanity adapts to this new world, we'd likely see a surge in technological innovation. Entire industries would emerge dedicated to harnessing the power of magnetic fields for everything from energy production to medical treatments. Magnetically levitating robots could be used in construction or manufacturing, performing tasks with precision and efficiency never seen before. Moreover, magnetic fields could be used to create new forms of energy storage, potentially providing us with clean and efficient energy sources to power our world. Living in a magnetic world, but living in a world where Earth is a giant magnet isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There's a downside to this magnetic mayhem. The heightened magnetic field could wreak havoc on modern technology. Communication systems could be thrown into disarray, leading to missed calls and delayed messages. Power grids could be overloaded, resulting in widespread blackouts and economic chaos. Global financial markets could collapse due to the sudden and unexpected failures of electronic systems. The very fabric of modern society could be strained as people struggle to adapt to a world where technology no longer functions reliably, a new era of adaptation. In this new world, humanity would face unprecedented challenges, from the threat of extreme weather events to the breakdown of modern technology. We would be forced to adapt and innovate in order to survive. But perhaps this wouldn't be entirely a bad thing. Many scientists believe that the Earth's magnetic field has been weakening in recent years, so strengthening it artificially could help protect us from the harmful effects of solar radiation. Additionally, the challenges posed by a changing magnetic field could also drive innovation and technological advancements. We might see the development of new materials and technologies that could benefit society in countless ways. A magnetic future, pondering the possibilities. In conclusion, if the Earth suddenly became a giant magnet, our world would be in for a wild ride. From extreme weather events to technological chaos, the changes would be both challenging and exciting. While there's no need to worry about our planet turning into a giant magnet anytime soon, it's always fun to imagine what could happen if such an extraordinary event were to take place. Who knows, maybe in the future, we'll find a way to harness the power of magnetic fields to our advantage. Until then, we can marvel at the incredible forces of nature that shape our world, our magnetic destiny. If you enjoyed this journey into the realm of magnetic mayhem, don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content. And who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover the secrets of magnetic levitation and truly make Earth our giant magnet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.